What are the penalties for not wearing personal protective equipment in construction? Have you ever wondered what happens if construction workers do not wear their personal protective equipment? This is an important topic because it directly affects safety on the job site. In the construction industry, personal protective equipment, often referred to as PPE, is essential for protecting workers from various hazards. When workers fail to wear or employers do not provide the necessary PPE, there can be serious consequences. Regulatory agencies, such as the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, enforce strict guidelines regarding PPE. If a worker or employer does not comply, penalties can be significant. For a serious violation, such as not using required PPE, the maximum fine can reach approximately $16,550 for each violation. This is no small amount and can add up quickly. If the violation is deemed willful or repeated, meaning the employer knowingly ignores safety rules or has a history of the same issue, the penalties can escalate dramatically. In such cases, fines can soar to about $165,514 for each violation. This shows how seriously regulatory agencies take the safety of workers. Additionally, if an employer fails to correct a violation after being given a deadline, they may face daily fines. These daily penalties can also be around $16,550. This means that not only is there an initial penalty, but the costs can continue to rise if the issue is not addressed promptly. Real-world examples illustrate the impact of these penalties. One company faced a fine of $24,290 for not providing proper training and PPE, which unfortunately contributed to a fatal accident. Another roofing company was fined over $414,000 for repeatedly failing to provide essential safety measures like fall protection and eye protection. The implications of these penalties extend beyond just financial costs. Employers must ensure that all workers have access to appropriate PPE, which includes hard hats, safety glasses, fall protection harnesses, respiratory masks, and hearing protection. Workers should also receive training on how to use this equipment correctly. Noncompliance not only risks hefty fines for employers but also puts workers' health and safety in jeopardy. This can lead to serious injuries or even fatalities on the job site. Furthermore, repeated violations can result in increased scrutiny from regulatory agencies, which can affect a company's reputation and job security for its employees. Investing in proper PPE and training is far less expensive than facing fines from regulatory agencies or dealing with the aftermath of workplace accidents. In the construction industry, understanding and adhering to PPE requirements is vital for ensuring safety, legal compliance, and financial stability. By taking these precautions seriously, both employers and workers can create a safer work environment.